How to download Minecraft for free on your computer or laptop is actually pretty simple. First, open any internet browser and type Minecraft Trial into the search bar, then press enter. Click on the top result, which should be the official Minecraft.net website. Once you're on the page, scroll down until you find the download section. Choose your operating system, for example, Windows 10/11, and make sure you select the Java edition. After the file finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder, usually from the top right corner of your browser, then click Show in Folder. You can drag the file to your desktop if you want easier access. Next, open the file, agree to the terms and conditions, and click Install. The game will begin installing on your computer. When it's done, click Let's Go. You'll now need to sign in with a Microsoft account. Make sure you haven't used this account to play Minecraft before, since the demo requires a fresh account. If needed, create a new Microsoft account using the option on the screen. Once signed in, the